Hey Ninja, welcome to day 10. Welcome back to the challenge. And today we're going to add your assets into your account inside of WebinarNinja. We're going to add 3 important assets. The first one is the image you're going to use that is going to represent yourself on your registration pages. This is going to be very similar to what your avatar image is, but we're going to use it for your about image, things like that. We're also going to add your logo, your company logo, your business logo, so it's in your account so you can easily reference it when you're building your webinar. The next thing we're going to add, the third thing we're going to add, is some sort of image that's going to represent your actual webinar, the title of your webinar. This could be you, it could be like a wide image of you, or it could be an image that represents your actual title, whatever the topic, whether, like for me, it's basketball, so I'm going to be using a basketball image, okay? So I want to make sure that I add these images to my account in my media library so they're all ready to go. Let's load up our assets right now. I'll jump inside of WebinarNinja with you, and that will be your homework for today, your assignment for today. So you may want to do it along with me when I do it right now. You can look over my shoulder. All right, I'll see you inside of WebinarNinja. All right, we're inside of WebinarNinja. We're inside the account. What we're going to do is we're going to go to the left menu. We're going to go down to this 4th icon that says Media Library. This is where you're going to manage all your media assets inside of WebinarNinja. Okay, so as you can see that you have your registration page templates here, your thank you page templates. If this is blank, this means you haven't created a webinar yet. That's totally fine. Once you start creating a webinar and start creating registration pages, you'll see them there inside. Okay, what we're going to be working with right now today is images. So we're going to go to images, this images tab right here, and we're going to add our images. Okay, the first thing we're going to add is our company logo. So you just hit add, you're going to go to your computer and find your company logo. So I'm just going to go to my logo here. I like to upload both a light version, okay? So I have a light version here. I'm going to open that up. And I like to also have the dark version because I might have a dark background or a light background, and I want to make sure my images or my logo will show up on both, look nice on both. So again, I'm going to go back, go to my, I'm going to go to the dark here. Okay, here's my dark one. I'm going to go with the PNG. Okay, this is the one I want right here. Boom. And now I have my logo in both dark and light. I'm going to be using my logo throughout, so I'm going to need that. The next image is my image. This could be the same image we use for our avatar, a headshot image. So I'm going to go back and get that. So I'm going to go to my images. These are the ones I had created for myself. Headshot. This one's good for my bio. Okay, I'm going to add that one, and I may want to add another one just in case I want to change it up sometime in the future. Maybe want to just change it up from time to time. Let's see another one I can use. What is this one? Why not? This one looks good. Here we go. Open. Now, the third thing we're going to add is an image that's going to represent our actual webinar. So this could be an image of you. Or it could be an image on the topic of your webinar, right? So what's important here is that this is a wide image because this is going to take the background of your registration page, right? It's kind of be the hero image, right? If you think of a website, websites are wide, they're not long in terms of the image size. So we want to make sure it's wide. So let's take add image. So I can choose a wide image. For example, this is a wide image I can use. I can use this one maybe even here. This one's very popular, so I'll just add this one as an image. So this could be used. Now, say for example, I want to use one that represents the topic of my webinar, basketball. A great site we recommend is unsplash.com, where you can download for free, royalty-free images. These are images that people just donate, and they're great. So let's say, for example, I want to use one from unsplash.com. Let's go over there to Unsplash and see what it looks like. Okay, so I'm in unsplash.com right now. I search for basketball, and I get a whole bunch of images on basketball. This is a nice wide image that I can use for my topic on free throw shooting. I could just hit download. I've downloaded the file already. Let's go back inside of WebinarNinja, but we highly recommend checking out Unsplash. It gives you beautiful photos for free that you can download and use to represent your webinar topic. So let's go back to WebinarNinja and add it. All right, we're back inside of WebinarNinja's media library, and now we're going to add that image we got from Unsplash. Here it is. Boom. Nice and easy. And we're just going to hit open, and it's going to upload into our account, so that way we can use it later on our registration pages, and it's nice and handy. So as you can see here, all our images are ready to go. Our assets are ready to go. We have our images, we have our logo, and we're all set. So this is your homework. Make sure you add your logo. If you can, both in dark and light image, because you may want to use a dark background or a light background. Add a couple images for yourself that you can use for your host section in your registration page. We'll talk about that, as well as an image that's going to represent your webinar as a background image, as the hero image on your registration pages, as the one that's going to be represented in social media, all that kind of stuff. So we're going to make sure that that happens by uploading those images in our homework, as well as if I need an image that represents my topic, I can go to unsplash.com. Okay, that's it. That's your homework. Upload those 3 assets into your media library inside of WebinarNinja, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.